कल मेरा एग्ज़ाम है. Hey guys, if you're new here, I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader. And in today's video, I'll show you all how I study like a day before my exam. And this is going to be a very fun and informative video. So make sure that you watch till the very end. And let's begin. So I'll start with writing my to-do list. Also, अभी फ़िलहाल रात के I think 9:30 बज रहे हैं. And I'm studying रात को because पूरा दिन मैंने chill किया है. So yes, I'll have to write out my to-do list because मैंने पूरा दिन कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करी है. So we're just going to cram at night like most kids do. I mean, I study a lot like before my exams and I study less during my exams. But I still try to study somewhat a day before. So I finished my to-do list and this was the list. Not much, but I just had to do maths and Hindi because my first two exams were of maths and Hindi. So मैंने अपनी ML अग्रवाल निकाली because इसमें अच्छे लेवल के questions होते हैं. And I played some music to set the ambience to do maths because I cannot do maths without listening to music. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just does for me. So yes, around 9:10 I started to do maths and I was practicing the questions from all the chapters and सारे questions मुझसे हो रहे थे. And honestly अगर तुमसे questions नहीं हो रहे हैं ना, then उनको leave करने की बजाय उनको समझ लो किसी और से instead of just leaving them out. And अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई है नहीं समझने के लिए, then just search it up on YouTube and you will definitely find a solution to your question and you can refer to that and then understand. Well, अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे को कोई question में doubt था नहीं, so I was just practicing all the questions and I did all the examples including the exercise questions. And after that I was done with one chapter and obviously मेरे को नींद भी आ रही थी क्योंकि रात हो गई थी. मतलब तुम खुद ही देख लो, बाहर बिल्कुल मतलब अंधेरा हो चुका था. And I usually don't like studying रात को because I am not a night person. Like I can study better morning में या फिर afternoon में. Well, 1 घंटा maths किया था मैंने and now I was quite tired. मतलब you can literally look at my face. But guys, we have a good outfit today. Then I decided to take a break. So I got this book, okay? Harry Potter and Prison of Azkaban, and I'm reading it. Also, this bookmark, I made this bookmark on my own. I was so proud of it. I made this when I was in like 9th grade, but I really like this one. It is really adorable. And wait, let me show you guys my little bookmark collection. I mean, I'll just show you one. So I made this as well. It basically has all the Taylor Swift eras. I mean, all the albums. And yeah, I was Taylor Swift, like Swiftie. I was crazy about her. And I did all of these questions. And after that I started my second study session around 10 o'clock. And उसके बाद बाकी के chapters complete करी थी. And by complete I mean practice all the examples including the exercise. सिर्फ exercise मत क्या करो because generally teachers tend to give questions from the examples only. Now let me tell you about this really good book. If you're looking for past year question papers, then this is the perfect book for you. And मैंने कुछ questions के solutions check करने के लिए इस book को use किया था recently and I loved the answers. So इसमें basically 20 Delhi outside Delhi papers हैं and basically 2025 से 2016 तक के like last 10 years के exams हैं. इसमें step wise marking है, NCERT references हैं and competency tagged questions हैं. So it is very helpful. And see, English में language and literature है and maths में standard है. So keep that in mind when you purchase it if you want to purchase it. And like मैंने कुछ questions के answers refer करने के लिए इसको use किया था and oh my god, I loved the solutions. So science का section है, उसमें सब कुछ काफ़ी अच्छे से explain किया हुआ है. And like I mean obviously questions तो वही हैं जो last year के exam में आए थे. But जो explanation है, like जो subjective questions का explanation है, that is very nice. And then you have all the sections properly divided. Like for maths we have standard का section and उसमें काफ़ी सही level के questions है. मतलब I checked it, okay? I won't say कि अच्छे questions है जब अगर actually में अच्छे questions नहीं है. उसके बाद I checked the SST का section. मैंने SST का कोई question as such देखा नहीं है, but I read the explanation of the chapters that I have studied till now and it is very nice. It is very helpful. Perfectly points में properly divide किया हुआ है सबको. So मतलब अगर तुम ऐसे कोई perfect book चाहिए जिससे तुम past year question पर practice कर सकते हो, so this is perfect for you because इसमें multiple type के questions बताए हुए हैं, competency based questions बताए हुए हैं और जो टीचर्स को आंसर की मिलता है ना वैसा ही टाइप का आंसर की तुम्हें दिया हुआ है ताकि तुम उसको रेफर करके अपने आंसर्स प्रैक्टिस कर सको. यू कैन चेक आउट द लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन इफ यू वांट टू परचेज देम एंड यूज माय कोड ACE150 फॉर एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट. Anyways, moving on. So after that, my mom made banana shake for me because I do not like to drink hot milk इतनी गर्मी वाले मौसम में, and it tasted so good, like yummy, like just look at it, it's perfect. Well, anyways, बनाना शेक पीने के बाद मैं अपनी मम्मा के साथ नीचे वॉक करने चली गई. एंड रात को मतलब इस टाइम इतना ज़्यादा पीसफुल होता है, मतलब इट्स सो नाइस. एंड सारी आवाज़ें जो रात को आती है बाहर, इट्स नाइस. सो हम आ गए थे वापस अराउंड 10:30 एंड उसके बाद आई हैड टू स्टार्ट माई नेक्स्ट स्टडी सेशन. माई टेबल वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी मेसी, सो उसको थोड़ा सा मेरे को क्लीन करना पड़ा. बट अब हिंदी पढ़ना है एंड आई हेट हिंदी. सो मेरे को मुहावरे याद करने थे, तो मैंने मुहावरे लिखे और फिर उनके सोल्यूशंस बिना देखे लिखे. एंड ऐसे मेरे को याद हो जाता है, लाइक दिस इज़ यूजुअली हाउ आई रिवाइज. एंड देन आई चेकड इट ऑल्सो, एंड उसके बाद मैंने सर्कल कर लिया जो मुझसे नहीं हुआ था. एंड देन आई चेकड ऑफ my to-do list, and then we had only one task left, guys. सिर्फ एक टास्क बचा है, उसके बाद I'll be done with the day and I can just call it a day and go to bed. So अब मेरे को वापस हिंदी करना था, मेरे को स्पर्श का फर्स्ट चैप्टर करना था. I mean technically not the first chapter, but हमारे लिए जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है, बड़े भाई साहब, अगर तुम में से कोई 11th में है, so you would know this chapter because I think like ये काफ़ी बच्चों का फेवरेट चैप्टर है 10th में. Well, I was studying this chapter and I was writing my questions on a sticky note. Like when I read, I write the questions जो आई थिंक कि फ्रेम हो सकते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर पैरा से, ऑन स्टिकी नोट एंड स्टिक इट देयर, एंड लेटर ऑन इट हेल्प्स मी टू रिवाइज दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. So you can also use this tip when you are studying Hindi, and a lot of you asked me to make a strategy video for the subject of Hindi, so I will do that once my exams are over because अभी मेरे एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, so मेरे को वीडियोज़ बनाने का टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है. Well, yes, so I was basically studying, I was underlining all the important words, and अगर मेरे को किसी word का मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा था, I did look it up, I did not ignore it. Please don't ignore it. Well, then I was done with that as well, and then I had to wash my face because अब मेरे को अपना skin care करना था, so I tied my hair because otherwise वो बीच में आते. And I washed my face. I used the Dove soap bar to wash my face because nothing else really works out for it because everything is sensitive like on my skin because I have sensitive skin. So I washed my face and I was feeling very very fresh after that, like very fresh. मतलब रात को फेस वॉश करना वो भी ठंडे ठंडे पानी से मतलब मज़ा ही आ जाता है. Now I had to do my skin care. So this is the moisturizer that I use. It's from Moise and it is a prescribed moisturizer. It has helped me out a lot to like heal my skin because my skin is very sensitive and it is very dry. So this moisturizer works fine. I don't think I get any reactions because of it, and it helps moisturizing my skin. So yeah, I was just putting on my moisturizer, and also when you put on moisturizer, put it on very very gently, like don't rub it बहुत ज़्यादा hard तरीके से. After that I was putting on my rice water toner. ये किसी और चीज़ की बॉटल है, I just emptied it and put my toner in it. I have to make it like every 4 days, but if you also want to know the recipe for this, then I'll share it. It helps to clear out your hyperpigmentation and it helps to fix your dry skin. So this is very helpful and it has helped me out a lot as well. Like if you all can notice, I mean I don't think you can वैसे, but I can notice changes after using this and I really like this one. So अगर तुमको मेरी रेसिपी जाननी है, it's very simple, like कोई भी बना सकता है. So do let me know in the comment section and I will try to make a shot on it. Well, then my skincare routine was complete. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for 13k. I am super grateful and I'm so thankful to all of you. And that is all I had to say, guys. And like this video if you haven't already. And also let me know what your favorite part from in the video was. And also like if you guys want me to try out something new, then also वो मेरे को comment कर देना, because like I'm thinking कि मैं कुछ नया करना चाहती हूँ, but like क्या करूँ. So it's best if I do something that you all want me to do. So comment कर देना. That's it, guys. Bye bye.